We use them every single hour, but what is a computer really? At its simplest level, it's an electronic device designed to process, store, and retrieve data. It's the essential brain of our digital world. Every computer is made of two parts: hardware, the physical stuff you can touch, like chips and screens, and software, the invisible instructions, like Windows or Android, that tell that hardware exactly what to do. Its main job is processing. It takes raw input, like your keystrokes or a GPS signal, and transforms it into something meaningful, whether that's a YouTube video, a digital document, or a complex calculation. But computers aren't just boxes on desks anymore. Today, they live in the cloud, processing data on remote servers, and in the Internet of Things, turning everyday objects into smart, connected devices that talk to each other over 5G and fiber optics. From the smartphone in your pocket to the servers powering the global web, the computer is the engine of ICT. If you want to master the digital world, you have to understand the machine. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.